Hello everyone, start off by taking two sections of the hair from either side, tie it up at the back and then add a decorative clip to it. Next, add a low ponytail at the base of it, then fold it over and then add the decorative clip on top of this instead. Next, we'll start off by tying a ponytail, loosen this ponytail slightly and then add a multiple prong pin to the hair. Comb the hair upwards as such and then insert it, make it into a bun, fold it into place as such. Next, we'll start off by taking two sections of the hair from either side, join it to the back, roll the hair in on itself, make two braids on the lower end of either side, roll it up and then pin it up in place accordingly. Next, start off by taking these multi-level clips as such. Pin it up in the center of the hair, take a section from the right side, twist it, insert it into the left side, take a section from the left side, insert it into the right side, take two braids, fold up the right braid, pin it up to the left braid and vice versa. Next, take these decorative kind of clips and after that, start off by tying a ponytail. Now twist this ponytail, roll it up into a bun and then add your decorative clip around it accordingly. Squeeze it shut. Next, we'll start off by taking this twisted kind of decorative clip. Start off by putting a ponytail and then wrap the hair around this clip accordingly and make it into a bun. Next, we will start off by taking the hair, gather it around the finger, twist it into a bun as such. Add the clip around it. Now, once you have done this, adjust the hair. Next, we will start off by tying a ponytail and then add a rubber band to the base of the hair. Next, make it into a bun and then add your decorative clip or rubber band to it as such. Next, we will start off by adding a hair twine into the hair after tying a ponytail. Twist the hair around the hair twine, add a rubber band to the hair and then wrap it up into a bun. Adjust the decorative portion of it accordingly. Next, take this hair bun and after this, tie a ponytail, wrap this around the ponytail. Then wrap the hair around this hair bun and afterwards tie it up in place. Use a decorative clip to fasten it in its place. Next, take a multi-level clip as such that opens in three places, clip it up in the middle at the back, take a section from the right side, twist it, insert it into the central section, do the same on the left side. Take another section from the right and the left side and then clip it up in the respective places accordingly. Next, we'll start off by tying a little bit of a half braid and then wrap it up, lift it up and tie it up in place. Add another rubber band to the middle section of whatever is left over, wrap it around the bun and then tie it up in place. Use a decorative clip at the base of all of this. Next, we'll start off by taking these kind of decorative clips, then tie a ponytail, lift up the hair and then add the clip to the bottom of the hair. Roll up the top, use a multiple prong pin in order to fasten it in its place and make a bun out of it. Tie a low ponytail, then bring the hair out slightly and then wrap it up into a bun as such. Tie a rubber band to the hair and then add a clip to it on one of the sides at the top of it. Next, we'll take the hair, divide it into two sections, twist one over the other as such. After you're done with this, lift it upwards and then make a bun out of it. Add this decorative clip to it and then adjust it as you need it to be. Take a ponytail, loosen it slightly on one of the ends, twist it, lift it up, use a multiple prong pin in order to fasten it in its place as such. Push it through the sides. Add a rubber band and then fasten it to the top and make a bun out of it accordingly. Next, we'll start off by tying a ponytail, loosen it slightly, roll the hair in on itself and then tighten it. Comb the center so that there are no gaps left over and as for the bottom, make a bun out of it and then clip up the hair into place. Thank you for watching.